With the school holidays coming up, do you think of fun camping trips with your friends or family? Or do you dream of building a caravan or a teepee structure in your backyard? Joel Lee, founder of IO Home, created a unique glamping experience just an hour away from KL City Centre in the Templar Park Forest Reserve. In a previous episode, we basked in the beauty of Villa Takun. This time, we explore its more adventurous side.
Villa Takun is the always wanted to try experience, a calming and exciting experiential getaway. A close to the city retreat that reminds us about living.
A friendly reminder, if you're not subscribed to us yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more compelling design and architecture related contents. Situated next to Villa Takun, a winding path between greenery leads us to a serene glamping experience created by IO Home. We were greeted by striking visuals of an A-frame structure and vintage caravans tucked away in the green landscape.
My name is Joel. I'm the founder of IO Home. After the pandemic, there are many camping campers outside, and we thought of reconnect to the nature. And where through my study, most of the camping culture has turned into glamping. I want to strike a balance, being able to live in the nature, but still retain the luxury of it. That is why there were A-frame and also the caravan. I wanted the caravan to be next to the tree, so it is impossible for caravan to access. So the first thing that we did is actually crane down the caravan. By craning it down and moving the caravan, we required at least 10 to 15 hard labor to push the caravan to the side. So this is one of the toughest things, to allocate the caravan under the trees.
The cozy caravan creates an intimate connection to nature and community for guests. Pairing traditional, rustic visuals with earthy colors curates a homey and cozy feel. A white interior makes a small space feel spacious and airy. Another tip to elevate small spaces is to decorate with textures essence like cushions to add warmth and personality. A minimalist design ensures everything blends naturally with the surrounding green environment. Here, guests enjoys a minimalist caravan lifestyle nestled in nature, a true vacation for their daily lives.
The caravan comes from the idea of my childhood dream, which is the Airstream in the Hollywood. So most of the 60s, 70s, they will use an Airstream as part of their rock band culture. So been living as a Hollywood kid, I really wanted an Airstream, to be in an Airstream traveling around the world. So this is my first idea to plug in the caravan.
In designing such a compact space optimization is crucial. Customizing the furniture to size and choosing multifunctional pieces ensures no space is wasted. Another unique experience here are the scenic stays in the A-frame structures. Merging the shape of tents with modern luxuries, the A-frame stays are a comfy retreat in nature. Full-height glass windows invite natural light to flood the interiors. Lying in the loft gives one the feeling of floating among treetops, curating a relaxing experience. A cozy interior with wood, brown and white reminds guests of the warmth of home while maintaining visual connection to nature. The white color reflects light, making a room feel larger and brighter, while the black color absorbs light, creating a more intimate space. It also adds more depth and modern sophistication.
A-frame is actually a camping culture in the United States where they have a cabin in the forest. So our A-frame here is actually a loft style of A-frame. The bed is actually located on the second floor and where there are a living area on the ground floor. So in the A-frame, you get to have your own bathtub, your own courtyard, and you have your own private toilet. It was during the MCO that we found nature to be very important. That is how Villa Takun landscape was shaped, where all the plants were very important for this villa. They have to be part of our ecosystem, especially when you're going to relax and enjoy. The plants play a better part on soothing your mood. So we have another talent that actually take care of the plants here. We have 180 species of plants that actually planted in Villa Takun, including herbs, flower, trees that are extinct, and tropical trees. We thought of giving customer an experience to understand the nature about the plants that is planted in Villa Takun. Hore is actually run by a coffee talent where we thought of having our own roastery, and for the coffee lover, they get to taste their coffee fresh every time. Over years of being in the hospitality industry, we have pioneered staycation and short getaway, and we realized we wanted a purpose. We wanted to create a destination and an experience.
Villa Takun is a unique getaway that truly embodies calm healing through nature in each space, catering to different experiences curated around the immersive views of Takun Hills. This is a staycation unlike any other. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture contents, please click on that subscribe button and stay in the loop of more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.